All right, just a real quick one today for how to make these most adorable hot chocolate cupcakes. Iced with fudge and then topped with the cutest marshmallow mugs of hot cocoa. I'm not real sure where I saw this idea. In the barrage of social media we are all consuming nowadays, everything comes and goes so fast, it's like a blur of chaos. So to whoever invented these, adorable, and thank you. Grab some vegan marshmallows and some mini candy canes, a spot of vegan white chocolate to glue on the handles, and voila, instant mug. How freaking cute. Now for some mint buttercream to stuff up my cupcakes, and be sure to spill it all over the table or it just won't taste the same. I'm using a large piping tip to hollow out the centers of my cupcakes, but a cupcake corer obviously was made for this job. I'm just not that into single taskers in my kitchen. It's already cluttered enough, so if I could use something else that I already have to do a job, then yes, that's my groove. All right, fill up the centers with that mint buttercream and then replace the tops. Now for my bakery recipe for fudge icing, and I still can't get over the fact that the original recipe I used in my bakery had more than double the sugar that I use now. Of course, you can use any icing that you like the most, but now just plop those marshmallow mugs on top and a sprinkle of crushed candy cane on top, because who doesn't love a little crushed candy cane on a nice big mug of hot chocolate? All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I do hope that you're going to try these cutest, easiest little decorations for your cupcakes this year. They are so delicious and so easy to make. As usual, grab the recipes at Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.